Hi everyone, welcome to today's MA. Excited to have you join us for the Dappbay feature activity live guidance today. And we will dive into this activity to guide you on how to join and unlock the rewards with DigitalDAO, Alaya AI, World of Depends. So let's welcome our guest. First, we have Jackie, core contributor at Alaya AI. Hi Jackie, would you say hi to our audience?
Hello.
Yeah, and second, we had Kay, marketing lead at DigitalDAO. Hi Kay.
Hi everyone.
And last we have Gasman, PN at World of DPN. Hi, Gasman.
Hi everyone, thank you for having me today. I'm very excited to be here and to explain a little bit more about what we have in store in the special campaign that we are organizing with BNB Chain.
Thank you for the intro. And for today's agenda, each project will introduce its campaign highlight and guidance. And after that, we will answer a few community questions. So let's get started with Jackie from Alaya AI.
Sure, yeah. So let me just share my screen. Yeah, so today I'm just gonna go through a little bit about how to finish our campaign here on Dappbay. So all you have to do is to train like for 7 days, and no need to be connected, no need to be consecutive dates. So you can just train 7 times in 8 days or like 9 days, but it's first come first served, so you better be quick. Yeah, so yeah, let's just start it. First, you need to get into our website, which is aialaya.io. Then once you type it, you will just see a screen like this. Then you need to click start. So as you can see, it's our Dapp here, and you need to select OPBNB here. And before you start, you need an email to register it. So I just create an email account. It's called aialaya testing. Yeah, then I just send the verification code. Yeah, once you see the text pop up, you need to go to your mail to check your verification code. Still waiting. I just try to. Oh, never mind. Yeah. Sometimes it's just long time to wait, but let me check with my address again. AI testing at outlook.com. AI testing. Okay, so if I can't receive it, oh yeah, so it's 161523. Yeah. So then you can see there's a blind box here, and you open it, you get a in-game NFT here. It's not on chain yet, so you can see your little white robot here. So after that, we click task. Then we try to connect our wallet. So select wallet, bind, yeah, we need to bind the wallet. Then you can see a little window popped up, and I select my first address, and I already deposit some like BNB there on OPBNB chain. So click sign. Yes, once you see your address here, it's good to go. So just go back, and here's a certified group. It's act like kind of like verification to verify if you can handle some like real questions here. So we click start. So the first one is multiple choices, and we can hear the question is who is laughing, and of course it's a girl, but woman is also right, but she just sounds more like a girl. So it's like a captcha here, TAGJGA. So the first one, and if the doctor gives you 3 pills and tell you take 1 pill half hour. I'm kind of bad at math, so I'll just, how long will it be to finish all 3 pills? It's 1 hour. This term describe in total output resulting from the one cut. So guys, just remember, while we doing this, it's a process of we label the do the data labeling for Ally AI. So yeah, remember to input your data. Input your answer carefully. Just I don't know. This is kind of tricky. Just like 20. Yeah. Once you finish it, you just receive a message here, and it shows that you just pass it. So once you see this and you see the trend function here, it's good to go. So you just click trend, and yeah, you can see trend line 30 times to get blah 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 in BNB. Yeah. So let's just hit trend here. You see the MetaMask pop up. So we just hit confirm. So it'll just showing trending Alaya, and once you if you want trend again, you cannot trend this. So once you finish that, you need to check your activity. If you see this, you have a transaction here done, and you're good to go. And you need to do that for 7 days. Yeah, you need to do that for 7 days. And a hint. The trend will reset at 12 a.m. UTC +8. So remember to trend on time to get the reward fast. All right, yeah. I think I'm done with the guide. So Tiana, you wanna?
Okay, yeah, thank you for the detailed sharing and the guidance. Yeah, and we can see what is next from Alaya AI. And now we will enter the FAQ session, which we have some questions from the community. Then first, I want to ask you, it's about the campaign. It's if I complete the train process, but I don't see any progress update in the test. Is this normal?
Yes, it is normal because on our campaign task, you need to be trained for 7 times, which means you need to be able to see your task stats after 7 days if you've done that previous 7 days, and the stats will update. I think it's 5 p.m. UTC +8, right? Yes, it is. So
Yeah, okay. Yeah, and thank you for the answer. And second I got for you is, how do users know if they have trained for the day?
oh, they can go to and check their transactions. If they see an update transaction here, then you interact with our contract, and your address is recorded. So no worries if you cannot see your training stats updated in our app.
Thank you. And the last part is related to the incentive. So many users want to know, what does the trend do and what is the benefit for doing that?
All right. That's a great question though. So the trend function is like it's like a daily checking. Since our currently we don't have any tasks on Chan, but we do want to track our users' activeness. So we designed this function to track our contribution, to track our user contribution to this project. Also, we will send users some BNB as a reward for their loyalty, and that's it. We're not using your gas to train AI. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, and I think that's all for the question from my side. And do you have any last word want to share with our audience?
Good luck. Good luck with the campaign.
Okay, then good to have you today, Jackie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, then next we have Kate from ListerDAO. Kate, over to you.
Yeah, thanks. Let me just share my screen with you guys. Give me a sec. Present. Okay. Yeah, so you guys can see my screen right now. I am on the campaign page of Dappbay. Actually, our campaign is like super easy. Like what users need to do is deposit 100 FUSD on the DAO. So if you go to the campaign page, you press let me share to this. You press connect your wallet, like right here. It's gonna pop up connect your wallet, but since I'm connected already, it's going to lead me directly to this page, which is our collateral page. And then you just scroll down and then you find FDUSD, and then you deposit. And then you deposit like 100 FDUSD. And then you deposit. It's gonna show like transaction is in progress. Of course, you have to like sign on your wallet right now, which I'm signing. Give it a sec. And after it approves your, give me a sec. You're qualified for the raffle. I think it might take a bit of a time. Let's wait and see. It might be my internet issue for like the delay in transaction, but literally what happens is after it's been approved and everything, you can see your wallet addresses here that you have already joined. And it's super easy. Like another thing that you can do, although it's not in the campaign, is like after you have deposited FDUSD as collateral, you can also borrow out list USD. And when a user borrows out list USD, you get like CAC season 3 points on top of it. So it's like our last airdrop, last airdrop campaign. It's going to, I think it's ending soon, so it's pretty worth trying. And that would be all for the campaign. It's super easy, like just like a few clicks. Yeah. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen right now.
Okay, thank you for sharing. It's really easy to join this campaign. And looking forward to more updates from your team. So we will enter the FAQ session, which is from the community. So I got questions for you. First is, what are you guys building with FDUSD and how does it benefit the ecosystem?
Yeah, just a brief intro about what Listed Out is. I know some of us aren't familiar. So we are a DAO and we are a liquid staking solution for BNB, and also we are a CDP. So we are like a lending protocol. And what we are doing with FDUSD, FDUSD is like a stable coin, which is built by the First Digital Labs, and it's like maintained a 1v1 peg to the US dollar. So it's actually backed by cash or cash equivalent. So it's a really safe and secure stable coin. So adding FDUSD as a collateral option for us for Listed DAO, there are several value add-ons. One is, of course, like user growth, introducing FDUSD as a collateral would draw new users who hold it, and then they would participate in our platform. The other is stability and trust, because FDUSD is fully backed by cash or cash equivalent reserves. So having it as a collateral would make our borrowing and lending process more stable and reliable. I guess another thing that helps the ecosystem is helping the FDUSD to get more liquidity on top. Because for some stable coins, they don't have that high of a yield. But if FDUSD holders they deposit in our CDP and they borrow out ListUSD, there are other yields that they can have. For example, USD ListUSD, sorry. Currently, we have like a yield over 15% in our single staking, so it would be better to hold it. And then you have the CAC season 3 points on top, so there are extra yields for users, for FDUSD users to deposit in our collateral. And yeah.
Okay, thank you, Bertrand, and everyone to check out Lista website to see what high yield you can join in the future. And second question I got for you is, what is the Lista winter web with FDUSD, and how could the user participate?
Yeah, I think I just showed everyone what we are doing. It's really simple. Like for everyone, I thought of this campaign to just let everyone try out our collateral and then try out like depositing, borrowing, because I know a lot for the on-chain activities. It's not really adopted for everyone, but using stablecoin to participate in a collateral and then borrowing out stablecoin is very minimum in risks. So you won't have like those risk. It's not like you're buying anything and the price will fluctuate and then you will have some I guess losses, or it's going to cause any major damages. But using a stable coin, depositing it in a lending and borrowing protocol and then lending out another stable coin would be like, I think, a wonderful journey to just start with onboarding with like on chain and getting like familiar or beginning with the DeFi journey.
Yeah, thanks for watching everyone to try out. It's really simple flow, and the user journey, I think it will also it will be really easy for you, and you can also learn something from it. And the last question I got for you is, what are the benefits of participating other than the rewards?
Yeah, for the reward, so there is like a raffle chance for the reward. Other than the reward, there are two layers. One is rewards regarding our CAC season 3 airdrop, which users can get airdrop points. The other layer of rewards is if users borrow out ListUSD, you can do a lot of things with it. For example, you can go to PancakeSwap and get a ListUSD and put it in a ListUSD staking pool, or you can join Thena for it as well, or you can put it in our single staking pool. So there are several utilities for ListUSD, and I guess like users can go and try them out.
Okay, thank you, Kay, for joining us today. And do you have any last word want to share with our audience?
To be honest, I hope everyone to try out our campaign and do like we do have like Telegram, Discord groups. Please do give us feedback if there are any questions or suggestions.
Okay, then thank you, Kay, for joining us today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
And last, we have Gasman from World of DPN. Hi, Gasman.
Hi, everyone. So let me share my screen real quick and let me know when you see it. Just going to apologize in advance if I cough during the explanation. So sorry for that, but I'm feeling a little bit sick. Okay, so let's deep dive to the most recent campaign that we are organizing with BNB Chain, which is called the Winter Wonderland Challenge in World of DPNs. And it is really simple. So we have some simple steps, which I'm going to walk you through all of them, so you can have a really nice, easy journey to get onboarded and to complete all of the tasks for the challenge. Just wanted before going to the challenge, even though this is the second day of the campaign being live, we had more than 45,000 participants that completed the task and let's say showed their interest to create a game account, World of Depians, to stake their WOT tokens, and also to interact with our in-game activities and features. We have, for this dedicated campaign, we have four simple tasks. One of them is log in or create a game account to World of Depians, which is needed so far to interact with our ecosystem. Even though I've completed the task in the past, just going to show you that once you click here, it will be redirected to the World of Depian's account, which is similar to to the login process. So for this, let's say testing or purposes, I will be using, let's say, a testing account. But it is really simple to create a game account. You just need to use your email and password just like you do with any other Web2 games, and then a verification code should arrive to your email, and you need to put that and create finally a gaming account. Once you create the account, you need to create the player, so you need to put yourself a really nice gaming name, so it can be as an identifier to you through the whole gaming activities within World of Depians. So I'll just log into to my testing account just to show you the journey for the other tasks. The second task is related to the WOT tokens, to our DeFi staking pool, because most of you don't know, but World of Depians is not a simple gaming platform, but it's a platform that merges together the DeFi, NFTs, AI, and gaming into a simple, let's say, single place. So let's do, once you complete the first part, you just need to stake at least 50 WOT tokens, which will be redirected, to our DeFi space. So we have several staking pools for our users, but for this part, I'm going to use, let's say, the best APR staking pool with 35% APR, which also it has 120 days lock time. So the task is that you need to stake at least let's say 50 WOT tokens, but in just for testing purposes, I will be doing 60. You can, let's say, stake as many as you can. The first step, you need to approve the deposit to our staking pool. So this is, you just need to sign in the transaction and wait to be confirmed. And after this, the deposit part or the button, it will be shown for you to actually stake, and then you can track the rewards. Another important thing is that based on the number that you include here, you can see the total estimation rewards that you will get, let's say, from the pool directed to you. So the approve is really completed and really simple. So you just need to click deposit and then stake directly to the staking pool here. So we just wait a couple of more seconds, and we will see that at the end of the staking process, we will have 60 WOD staked into the 35% APR staking pool. So here you can see that the process is successfully done, and you can view in real time your earnings and also the unlock time where you can interact after it ends. The next step, after you stake at minimum 50 WOT tokens, you need to interact with one of our most important products, which is the daily bonus process. So you just need to click here and it will be redirected to our, let's say, to the user account part. And for example, you need to open at least 10 chests in total. So you don't need to open them in one day, but it's best for you to open directly so you can complete the task through the duration of the whole campaign. I'm just going to show you, since I'm already logged in and connected my wallet, I just need to open one chest. For example, opening one chest is required to sign in a transaction. And each of these chests gives you different benefits within the game. So these are the rewards that you can get, or either points or stars, or even direct rewards from opening them. All of these activities contribute to the overall gaming experience and to the ranking on the leaderboards and so on. So you can become one of the best players on BNB Chain ecosystem into our game. So here you can see that from the chest opening, I just got like around 2,000 leaderboard points that will be used for my ranking within the World of Depian's ecosystem. So here you can view all of the, let's say, leaderboards. We have a global one where we distribute rewards to the top 100 players, but also a monthly one. And each of the points or stars that you collect contribute to their overall ranking. Since you completed, let's say, open all of the 10 chests, you will have the final step, which is the most important one, to link your wallet in World of Depian's mini app. This is a Telegram mini app that we launched a couple of months ago to have different type of activities within the game. The process is really simple. You just need to, for example, to open directly the mini app, and here you can view all of the, let's say, um, features that we made available to our mini app. You just need to claim, let's say, your daily stake at the moment, and after it, you need to connect wallet here. You have a wallet sign. I already connected, but it's really simple. You just need to copy and paste. Just try to say that you have not only this, but you have different kind of activities where you distribute weekly $2,000 in USDT rewards to the top users in our Telegram mini app. You have an engaging game that you can complete all of the tasks. But the most important one is that once you connect your wallet, it will be eligible for the BNB Chain campaigns, but also to the future airdrops that, and also the USDT, weekly USDT rewards that we distribute. So basically, this is the whole process um, of completing our dedicated campaign. So I see that I just added to the participants, and all of these, let's say, activities are tracked in real time. So you don't need to wait at 5 p.m. UTC every time, but these are always tracked in real time. So once you complete them, it will be automatically shown as completed. Since I had already link my wallet, so it will not be counted this time. But it's important to say that you only need to use the same wallet that you have on BNB Chain Dappbay, also to our gaming account and to mini app, in order to verify the eligibility of the task. So yeah. I hope it was all clear.
Yeah, thank you for sharing. It's really interesting to see what I'm doing. It's working on really great initiative for the BNB Chain community. Yeah, and then we will go to the FAQ session. Then I got questions for you. And first is, how does the Winter Wonderland Challenge rewards our participants?
Yes, so very nice question. So I'm going to share my screen again real quick to show you the whole reward pool for the users. So basically, we have $50,000 reward pool for the users, and this is divided into two parts. $10,000 are dedicated for what rewards? So it will be let's say, distributed to winners, which will be announced, as you can see here, after 30th of December. And we will have 400 users for the Prime subscription within World of Depian's ecosystem. So you can get different benefits. Only from the reward pool of $10,000 in WOD rewards, there will be 100 winners, but for the Prime subscription, there will be 400 winners for the campaign. So in total, there will be 500 winners for the reward pool that we allocated for this dedicated campaign. And I already mentioned that we already had more than 45,000 participants in just only 2 days. So we are waiting also a significant participation rate during the coming days. And of course, let's say, to complete all of the tasks.
Thank you. And second question I have for you is, what are the main utilities of WOD tokens and the price of subscription in the World of Depian ecosystem?
Yes, so really good question. So World of Depians has different, or what token has different utilities within our ecosystem. So I already mentioned that we are not only a gaming platform, but we are a platform that integrate different parts like DeFi, NFTs, um, AI and gaming into a single place. The main utility for the WOT token is being as in-game currency. So you need to play the game in order, to use that in-game currency to purchase different items, to upgrade your character, to participate in different events, and a lot more. Another thing that is a utility that is coming soon in the upcoming days is that we'll have our own governance system where all of the users which are holding what tokens can shape the future of World of Deepyan. So they can participate or they can create proposals through to revamp the events for new features that they require and a lot more. Another utility for the WOT token is that we have our own marketplace, or as we call it, the game shop. And utilities for the WOT token is that you can list NFTs using WOD in the future, and also we'll have collections on BNB Chain, which you need to stay tuned on our official channels. But also we are using as incentives for the users for different campaigns. And what is most important is the DeFi part, is which I already showed to you, because another key utility for the WOT token is the DeFi integration. So you will be able to stake WOT tokens up to 35% APR in order to get also the rewards back. While the premium subscription, or the Prime, as we actually rebranded it, um, has different utilities within our game, and you can see different benefits. Like it can give you exclusive access to the game. It can unlock all the daily bonus chests. So I already showed to you that the daily bonus you need to open 10, but if you're a Prime subscriber, you can open 10 more, so 20 in total per day, which means that you can accumulate more rewards than other standard users. You'll have unlimited access to all of the treasure hunt event in the game. Right now, we have treasure hunts event with a reward pool in total $280,000. So if you're a Prime subscriber, you'll be able to get a share of this huge reward pool from this in-game treasure hunt event. You'll have the chance to have more possibilities to earn rewards through our ecosystem, to earn daily stars for your leaderboard ranking, and also to access, let's say, different private events within the game.
Thank you. And yeah, we can't wait to see more updates from you. And everyone, do stay tuned and follow Wodo DPN's social channel for the latest news. And next question I got for you is how can I link my wallet to the World of DPN's mini app, and why this is so important?
Yes, so I already explained to you in previous, let's say, tasks, but it is really simple and important, because you need to use the same wallet like you connect on Dappbay, the same wallet that you have on World of Deepens account, and you need only just to paste in our Telegram mini app, which is already here. I already connected it, but it's really simple. You just need to paste it, so we can verify in real time that you completed the task. But not only this, but to all of the future rewards that you will be getting also from the weekly USDT rewards that we are distributing, but also future rewards from our partners directly from the mini app. It is really important that you have this wallet to for us to identify and to allocate the rewards directly to you. So yeah.
Okay. And thank you for your sharing and detailed guidance. And do you have any last word want to say to our audience?
Yeah, so I wish that all of you can participate. They are really simple steps. We already have some good tractions, and we offer some exciting utilities and rewards to all of our community that participate in the challenge. But also, we'll invite BNB Chain community and more to participate and be part of our let's say, exciting ecosystem. We'll be having a lot of campaigns also, and we have some really nice events in store for you guys, so stay tuned on our official channels. Just give us a follow, and yeah, Thank you very much for having me today.
Can't wait to see, and thank you, Desmond from What All Depends today. Okay, then that's all for today, and big thank to our guests in the community for joining today to explore these projects on Dappbay and earn rewards with the BNB Chain feature activity series. So, and projects wanted to get a feature can submit your campaigns and follow our channels for more updates. And that's all for today. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone.